Well, hello guys, it's Saturday afternoon and I am just making a quick snack here in the skillet. I've got some sliced potatoes, peeled and sliced potatoes, beautiful green peppers and onions that I've chopped up. Have them in a little vegetable oil here, and my all-time favorite, Lawrys seasoning salt. So I'll sprinkle a little bit on my potatoes, but I'm going to put a little bit on the vegetables too. And I'm kind of moving all around here, but I'm going to add some more potatoes because I really did chop up a lot, probably too many potatoes. And I'm going to flip these in a second and let those ones on the bottom that have possibly browned a little bit on the top. So we're going to put a little seasoning on these ones on the top. And I would not have thought, I've always made fried potatoes and onions, but until I added the green pepper, I did not realize how delicious this could be. Let me stir this all around. And if you have some garlic, you can add that too. I do have a little garlic salt, so I think I'm going to add that. Ooh, look at that beautiful crispy brown on those potatoes. And I didn't cook the green peppers and onions first and let them get soft because since the potatoes